Hello students, hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the last topic from the chapter number 3rd. And today's topic is chromosomal disorders. So let us discuss what are chromosomal disorders. First of all, chromosomal disorders means the disorder are related to the chromosomes are called as chromosomal disorders. And the chromosomal disorders are of two types, as it related with the autosomes called as autosomal disorder, and second, the disorder related with sex chromosomes are called as sex chromosomal disorders. The autosomal disorders, which is related to the autosomes, so there is addition or deletion of one or more extra chromosome that shows autosomal disorders. Here in our syllabus, one disorder is given, that is Down's syndrome. Second, sex chromosomal disorders. The disorder related with sex chromosomes, they are called sex chromosomal disorders. The sex chromosomal disorders are Turner syndrome and second is Klinefelter's syndrome. These two disorders given in your syllabus. So let us discuss the first chromosomal disorder, that is autosomal disorders, which is Down's syndrome. The name given to disorder after described by Langdon Down in 1866. Hence, it is called Down's syndrome. It is also called autosomal chromosomal disorders. It is chromosomal disorder, no doubt, but it is related to the autosomes. Hence, autosomal chromosomal disorders, as it related with 21st pair of autosomes in case of human beings. Means the relation of Down syndrome or autosomal disorder is with 21st pair of autosomes, hence called autosomal disorders. It is caused due to presence of one extra chromosome at 21st pair. Due to that, 3 chromosomes appear in case of 21st pair instead of 2. Therefore, it is called trisomy. Due to addition of one extra chromosome, the chromosome complements becomes 46 plus 1, that means 47 total chromosomes are there. The trisomy occurs due to non-disjunction or failure of separation of chromosome during gamete formation. This trisomy occurs due to non-disjunction or failure of separation of chromosomes during the process of gametoformation. Here, the risk of trisomy is higher in mothers whose age is more than 45 years, because at the age of 45 years there is the stoppage of MC as well as certain hormonal imbalance occurs Due to that, it does not maintain proper pregnancy or normal pregnancy. Now, signs observed in Downs. First one, slight mental retardation. The individual with Down syndrome having slight mental retardation, poor skeletal development, short stature with rounded head, flat nose, open mouth, that means constantly open mouth, slanting eyes, flat hands, and stubby fingers. These are the certain signs observed in this case. Now, the sex chromosomal disorders. The disorder related to the sex chromosomes are called as sex chromosomal disorders. First one, Turner's syndrome, or it is called X monosomy or X0 female. It is sex chromosomal disorder caused due to non-disjunction of chromosomes during gamete formation. Similar to the Down syndrome, due to the non-disjunction of chromosomes during gamete formation, the Turner syndrome also occurs. The individual born with Turner syndrome has 44 autosomes with X0, in which absence of one of the X chromosome. Here, in case of Turner syndrome, X0 condition is there because there is absence of one X chromosome. So, instead of that X chromosome, here we written as 0. Due to absence of one X chromosome, the 45 chromosomes appear in this individual. They are phenotypically female and they have certain characters like short stature. They shows feminine characters, presence of webbed neck, flat chest, then poorly developed ovaries as well as breast and low intelligence. So these are the certain signs mostly observed in individual having Turner syndrome. Next, Klinefelter syndrome. XXY males. It is sex chromosomal disorder caused due to presence of one extra X chromosome in case of males. You know that in case of male there is presence of X and Y chromosome normally, but in this case one extra X chromosome is added. Therefore, the genotype of such individual becomes 44 autosome plus XXY. So there is presence of 2X chromosome and single Y chromosome. So the chromosome complement becomes 44A plus XXY. Therefore, these individuals or persons called feminine males. Feminine males mean they are phenotypically male but with characters of female, so called feminine males. In this case, presence of one extra chromosome due to non-disjunction of X chromosome during meiosis, this syndrome occurs. Such individuals is male but have masculine development. Masculine development means this individual having feminine characters. So that is masculine. It is characterized by underdeveloped testes, tall stature with long arms, and no spermatogenesis occurs in testes. Therefore, the such individuals are sexually sterile. So these are the symptoms of Klinefelter's. Here in a diagram, the Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome is given. In case of Turner, here observe this diagram. Here Turner syndrome, in this case short stature and underdeveloped feminine characters. Klinefelter syndrome, tall stature with feminized characters. So this is the diagram for sex chromosomal disorders. Thank you.